You get 2 moves in one, and I think you're really gonna love this. It's all for booty lifting. So you start out by being in a quadruped in all 4s, okay? My shoulders are in line with my palms, my knees in line with my hips. Now, I'm going to lift up into a fire hydrant like so. You want to make sure you squeeze your glutes there. Make sure that the hips are aligned and you're not opening out like this, okay? Then you're going to come back in, and your combination will be to lift up, all right? So we're getting side glute all the way every day. This one is so much fun, and even if you do this to the beat of the song, even better. Try to finish the whole song. All right, so that is your fire hydrant combination. Make sure you try to do about 15 to 20 of these on each side, and 1 counts as out and up, okay? Have fun. So go ahead and bring your legs forward, hands in front, slowly tuck the chin into the chest and roll down with control. And we're gonna start with froggers first because it's 2 moves and then we'll combine at the end. Heels pressing together into a V shape. Please flex your feet and bring those knees out wide. Don't bring the knees in too close. You wanna pretty much track on top of your hips. Hands pressing down, you're gonna exhale and bring the knees together. Notice how the V in my feet stays there. It does not move the whole time as I do the froggers. You are so gonna feel your inner thighs with this one. So where's the ab part? Place your hands long behind you. On the exhale, I want you to lift up right there. Notice how my feet are long, my feet are flexed, and come back. Inhale, exhale, reach, legs long, feet flexed. And the abs are strong and they're working and I am shaking. So that is your Frogger ab move. Try 15 of those and you're gonna be shaking a lot. Have fun. You're gonna bring your palms and your forearms down onto the mat. Do not clasp the hands together. You want your body aligned, so make sure you are forward. Now extend one leg. flex that foot. We flex because I want you to activate your hamstring. You're going to lift up and down. We're going to exhale up, inhale down, squeezing your booty every time you lift. Again, make sure that your hips are aligned and you are not opening up. If you don't feel comfortable on your forearms, you're going to come onto your palms right here and do the same thing. Lift and lower, lift and lower. The most important thing is that when you're there, you really get there, you feel it, you flex it before you come back down. So the reason why we have to work your hamstrings is because your hamstrings are connected to your glutes, and if you want to really lift the booty, you got to work all the muscles around it. So try 20 of these kicks on each side and you will for sure feel it, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. Good luck. Go ahead and come down onto your side, and there's two ways you can actually lay your head. Now, if you're feeling like you don't want to stay propped up, you can actually lay yourself on the floor just like so. But if you want to lay up, you can go here, or if you want to go even higher, you can come onto your elbow. It doesn't matter, it's really just preference. So, how's the hot potato? Well, imagine the floor is really hot, so you're gonna tap twice, and then you're gonna lift all the way up as high as you can and tap behind the leg. Tap, tap, lift, tap, tap, lift. Main thing here is try to keep those hips forward. Don't lean back with your leg, and that will really attack your thighs and your butt. So I want you to do about 12 to 15 lifts up into the air. So it's tap, tap 1, tap, tap 2 on each side. You'll definitely feel it and you'll see results. Try this almost every day if you can, and good luck. So you're gonna bring your hands in front of you, make sure the palms are flat, fingers wide, and lift up one of your legs, just like so. Important here that you're not opening your hips out. Again, alignment of the body is super important. We are going to dip the chin down beyond our fingertips. Right there. Notice how my elbows are right next to my tank top. If they're flaring out, you're not working your triceps. You're gonna exhale and lift right back up. Okay? Beginners, if you cannot come all the way in front of your fingertips, no worries. I simply want you to come down as low as you can and come right back up. But as you begin to build strength, you'll be able to get lower and keep your leg a lot longer and tighter. So that is your oil rigger. Try 10 on each side. They really do get exhausting, but they work and they're really fun. So have a good time. This is called the plie squat. So what you're gonna wanna do is bring your legs out way past your shoulders and your hips, okay? My toes are faced outwards. I'm gonna bring my arms out like so, floaty fingers, shoulders away from the ears. Keeping your core super tight, what I want you to do is slowly come down into a squat position. Now make sure that you're not leaning over like this. You're tall, crown of the head towards the ceiling. And you're gonna simply exhale and come back up. You're gonna go down and up, down, and up. Now, if you wanna make this a lot harder, what you can do is actually come up onto the balls of your feet, just like so. Arms out or in front of you, doesn't matter, whatever is comfortable, and you're gonna come down. As you can see, we're working the calves, we're working those inner thighs super crazy, and up, down, and up. And if you wanna make it really hard, you're gonna stay right here and you're just gonna pulse it out and stay super duper low. So if you want to try this move at home, please try about 15 to 20 of them. You're going to get some nice, lean, long legs. Good luck.